Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Gardens. We got a UEFA Champions League showcase for Hockey Jaws, Paul A. So good luck to you here, Paul. Hopefully I do not embarrass myself here with these names. I do not watch, I can say Messi and Ronaldo. Here we go, Paul. So I'm going to try pronouncing these names here. We got a Yarmolenko. I got that one down. Yarmolenko. Nice. Must be a short print here. It looks like an all base pack. Pretty sure I should be able to send you everything there, Paul. I'll just try saying the insert/hits there for you. I'm not gonna try pronouncing all these names. And we got a Alexis Sanchez. We have a Silva. I can't see the first name, but it just says Silva on there. Pretty sure you know who you're looking at, though. Base. Still waiting on your auto. And your auto is Sebastian Rode from Borussia. I don't know if that's a big one or not. Number 7/99. Midfielder for Borussia. And base. And final pack here. And we got a Mahrez. Sorry, I'll show you the serial numbers again. That's 23/25. And base. So there we have it for the box. Now